Introducing REAmoto, your ultimate IoT companion. REAmoto is an advanced electronic device designed to sense temperature, smoke, LPG gases, and fire hazards in your environment. Upon detection, it instantly sends SMS alerts to your phone, indicating the nature of the threat via LEDs and displaying messages on the screen. We have programmed REAmoto using Arduino and harnessed the power of the AT-Mega328P microcontroller to simplify the circuit. We have also used Proteus Professional for circuit stimulation and PCB designs, ensuring the utmost precision in our device. Moto isn't just a passive device, it's your interactive partner. Imagine you can chat with user texting. For example, you can say to it, "Hello REAmoto." REAmoto will be texting, "Hello, I'm REAmoto, your fire and extinguishing system." So you can even send off to temporarily disable it and on to bring it back online. To check its status, simply send state. To turn it off completely, send down. And to wake it up, send up. When REAmoto detects smoke or gas leakage, such as LPG gases like butane or ethane, the green LED will light up. A loud buzzer will sound, alerting you to the danger. If you have electric doors and windows, they will automatically open to allow fresh air in. REAmoto will send you an SMS and display a warning message on its screen. REAmoto is smart enough to handle temperature fluctuations. When it senses a temperature between 30 to 40 degrees, the green LED will illuminate. It also activates a fan to cool the environment, preventing overheating. If the temperature goes above 40 degrees, the fan will switch off to avoid potential fire hazard. How good is that? And when it comes to an event of a fire, REAmoto takes immediate action. If it detects flames, smoke, and high temperatures simultaneously, the blue LED will signal danger. If connected to a sprinkler system, it will spray water to extinguish fire. You will also receive an SMS alert. Ensuring your safety is our priority. In conclusion, REAmoto is a versatile device with alternative power sources, making it reliable in any situation. It's suitable for offices, hospitals, schools, homes, and industries, providing comprehensive protection and a peace of mind. Who doesn't want that? Choose REAmoto for smart, proactive security and environmental monitoring. REAmoto, your safety, your peace of mind.